Welcome to another exciting tiny house tour. Today, we're exploring a beautifully designed tiny home that makes the most of every inch. The exterior is charming, with a bright yellow door adding a warm touch and a cozy porch that invites you to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Stepping inside, the living space is stylish and cozy, featuring a blue sofa, decorative pillows, and antique-style artwork that create a welcoming ambience. Moving to the kitchen, it's modern and well-equipped, with sleek countertops, wooden cabinets, and stunning pendant lights. The island isn't just for looks. It provides extra space for dining or meal prep. The bedroom. Absolutely peaceful. With a bed placed near the window, natural light floods in, making the space feel fresh and airy. And the bathroom, though compact, feels like a mini spa. A sleek sink, a well-lit mirror, and modern fixtures elevate the experience. That's the tour. This tiny home is the perfect mix of comfort and style. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tiny house tours. See you in the next one.